In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone videos to SSD. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can properly manage all of the files on an iPhone, including your videos, and how to transfer it to an SSD. This can be an external SSD, which I'm going to be focusing on, or if you want to connect it to a computer or a laptop and transfer them there. If you have a portable SSD like this one from SanDisk or any other manufacturer, then this is going to be the easiest option because you can connect it directly to your iPhone, and this will allow you to transfer the files back and forth. Now, the problem that you might run into is that even though these portable SSDs are designed to work with iPhone, as you can see by this badge here, sometimes they need additional power. So try connecting it directly or using an adapter. If it doesn't work, then most likely you will need to purchase one of these USB hubs that have power. So look on places like Amazon and you will be able to find these powered USB hubs. As weird as this is, if you use a cable and you just connect them directly, oftentimes the SSD will not receive enough power that it needs to function. So what you will be doing is connecting the hub to the iPhone, and the SSD will go to one of these available USB ports. So you will find it in places like Amazon, and after you purchase one of these hubs, you can establish a connection just like I mentioned. So you plug one end of a cable into your iPhone, the other end leads to the USB hub, and the SSD is connected to the hub. Consequently, the iPhone can now discover the SSD, and it is going to appear on your Files app, so it will have this external drive icon, and you are good to go. Now, if you go into your gallery, your photos, your videos, and you find the option to copy or move them, you will find the SSD as a proper destination that you can select. Like I said before, you also have the option to connect the iPhone directly to your PC or laptop using a cable, and you can transfer the files there. So if you have an SSD on your PC or laptop and not an external portable SSD, then just do that instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone videos to SSD. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.